हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज के लेक्चर में हम देखेंगे न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑन द टॉपिक पीएच एंड पीओएच. सो आवर न्यूमेरिकल इज calculate the pH and pOH of 0.01 molar HCl solution. So in this numerical we have given concentration of HCl solution, that is 0.01 molar, and we have to find out pH and pOH. As we know, HCl is a strong acid. It dissociate almost completely in water as. इसका अगर डिसोसिएशन हमको लिखना है HCl का, तो हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? HCl in water dissociates completely into H3O plus ion and Cl minus ion. Okay, so the concentration of HCl ion means the concentration of hydronium ion because it dissociates completely. Its concentration is 0.01 molar. So the concentration of H3O plus is also 0.01 molar. Similarly, concentration of Cl minus is also 0.01 molar. So first of all, to calculate the pH, we have to write concentration of H3O plus. The concentration of H3O plus is equal to 0.01 molar is equal to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 2 molar. Okay, so this is the concentration of hydronium ion. Now according to the definition of pH, pH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. H plus is nothing but H3O plus ion concentration. So by putting the value of hydronium ion concentration, by solving this we get minus log to the base 10, 1 into 10 raised to power minus 2 is minus 2. So the pH is equal to pH is plus 2. Okay, as we know the relation between the pH and pOH, pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Therefore pOH is equal to 14 minus pH is equal to 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. Okay, in this way the value of pH is equal to 2 and value of pOH is equal to 12. Okay, thank you student.